Welcome to the lab. Before we get started, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share lab content on your socials. We're diving into the world of meme coins. You might have heard about them in the news or even seen them online. Let's explore what meme coins are, their potential for huge gains, and the risks involved. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a meme coin? Meme coins are a type of crypto that started as a joke or a meme. They often have funny names and are created as a playful or experimental take on the world of digital money. Some well-known examples include Dogecoin, which started as a meme featuring the Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme, and Shiba Inu, which was inspired by Dogecoin. These coins gained popularity due to their strong online communities. An example from 2024 is the Big Guy, a concept that embraces the stickiness and cultural and social significance of gods. Now, let's talk about the potential gains. Meme coins can experience massive price increases, even 1000x gains, and sometimes exponentially more. This means that if you bought a coin for $1,000, it could potentially be worth more than $1,000,000. These huge gains happen when a meme coin suddenly goes viral or when it's picked up by a big influencer or celebrity. For example, Dogecoin started as a joke, but saw incredible growth in 2021, with its price skyrocketing thanks to social media buzz and endorsements from celebrities like Elon Musk. Some early investors saw amazing returns on their small investments, but with the potential for big gains comes big risk. Meme coins are highly volatile, which means their prices can change rapidly and dramatically. One day, a meme coin might be worth a lot, and the next day, it could go to zero. This volatility can be exciting, but also very risky. Most meme coins don't have strong technology or practical uses behind them, which makes them more prone to sudden price swings. Investing in meme coins can be like riding a roller coaster, thrilling but unpredictable. It's important to approach meme coins with caution. Make sure to do your research and understand the risks before investing. While the potential for high returns is there, so is the potential for significant losses. To sum it up, meme coins are fun, meme-inspired crypto that can offer huge gains, but come with high risk and volatility. They're a wild ride in the world of digital money, so it's crucial to invest wisely and be prepared for the ups and downs. Thanks for joining us. We hope this gives you a clear understanding of meme coins and their potential.
Welcome to the Big Guy's AI Lab. Before we get started, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share Big Guy content with your fellow Chads on social media.